guess what? We come to the end of the tour. On our way back, with everyone socks on, get Wizarding World at barbecue. Hang on a second. Somebody's trying to interrupt my signal. Who is this?
My name is Roman Pierce.
A street racer.
Nice to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you. Shaw for a while. Brought you to a secret spot.
All right, look, guys. We're gonna keep Shaw from finding you. But to keep you safe, we need your help. You don't want the syndicate tracking us here. So put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay.
Well, looks like hanging out with these two in a secret spot. I'm up for that. I just got a message from dispatch. We have a guest aboard this tram who's witnessed something perpetrated by a man named Owen Shaw. Owen Shaw's on the property, but don't worry, the security's everywhere, and they just want us to hide out in here just for a few minutes. Wait a minute. Where's that music coming from? We're supposed to be hiding out. Somebody's blasting music. Letty, open the doors. Letty, quit playing, girl. Open those doors. Owen Shaw's looking for us. Don't leave us hanging. Letty just playing. She's just playing. Watch this. I get it to open the doors. Check this out. Hey, Letty, it's Dom. Open the doors. See, let her know I was Dom. She just opened the doors. Hey, I found out where that music is coming from. And you know what? You don't need the glasses yet. Why? Because it ain't nothing but a party, y'all. Ha ha! This is where the real 60th anniversary is going on. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Oh yes. Oh yes. What? Wait a minute. Stop right there, young lady. What's your phone number? Well, now they're taking the food. Well, at least leave us some nachos. That ain't right.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And the what else?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Bill, that's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight.
Bring us back some nachos.
First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop us and just clear out there, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Let's quit this. Now he's out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get out of here fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Wait a minute. What is Roman doing?
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in another second.
You see what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. No trace does. Ops can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're out. Driver, move that vehicle.
All right, we're moving.
It's about to get real interesting.
Yeah, thanks for the phone call, Roman. It was on vibrate.
The Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Here's something, y'all. Roman was right about that suit being cheap. I have two of them myself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to put those glasses on. And you heard Letty, no flash photography, no camera lights. Please keep your hands on feet inside of the tram at all times and hang on to your personal belongings. You know what? I think Owen Shaw's in here somewhere, but he'll never find us. It's a big building, and it's dark in here. He'll be driving around in circles, bumping into his own men, embarrassing himself. I thought they came in here. Where'd they go? All right, let me get off the microphone now. I'm going to stop talking.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
Let's pray about this.
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime.
I got the bull by the horn!
again.
Yes, buddy, that's